Hi everyone, it's Cindy from Shenandoah Papercraft, and I've just started my summertime journals. And this came about because I was in the grocery store a couple weeks ago and I was picking something up, I think some sugar or something, and I saw this gorgeous cake box and I thought, oh, I must have that for a journal. So I had to have this pink cake box, and it's a strawberry cake. And while I was at it, because I actually wanted to make the cakes, I also got lemon. And Jerry picked red velvet cake. So those are two cakes. And then I also picked up some orange cranberry muffins, which I've been wanting to make for a long time. So I've got 4 here. I'm not guaranteeing I'm going to get all 4 done before summer's over, but I'm going to give it a try. And for the strawberry journal, which I'm going to show you in a minute, it is strawberry themed. For the lemon journal, I plan on not doing a lemon theme, but a summer theme. So this one will be full of fun summer things. For the cranberry orange, I've got a lot of orange type ephemera I can put in here. Now here's where I need your help, my friends. Jerry's red velvet cake. What the heck do I put in here? Do you have any ideas for a theme to go in the red velvet cake box? If you have any ideas, let me know, because I really need some help on this one. So I'm going to show you the strawberry one right now. And again, it's just a very simple journal. I kept the box free of a lot of covering because I love this cake picture right here. And I did it as a 3 signature journal, and I just put little strawberry striped twine to bind it with. And then on the back side, I left this is part of the original box down here, but then I put some strawberry papers on the back, and the trim matches the front. So here's what I did with the inside. And our first page here, I used a black and white old strawberry ad, and all the digitals, the pretty strawberry digitals you'll see. I got the strawberry ephemera pack from Dream Studio 42. And then the papers I used in here, some of these are just regular scrapbook papers, and some of the papers are from CoastalGardenDesigns, like this one, for example, in addition to using regular scrapbook paper. But like this is from Coastal Designs. So I'm mainly using 2 different kits in here and a lot of ephemera. So let's start back here. On the first page here, I have a original recipe for strawberry meringue roll, and I've used that. And again, these are beautiful little cutouts. I'll link those stores below because they're really cute things. Here's our little strawberry girl. She's picking her own strawberries. Here is a page with a lot of little mixed fruits on here, so it's going to be a fruit punch that includes strawberries in it. So here's a actual like a bottle cap, but they had fruit punch in it. And again, there's more of these gorgeous little cutouts here. Here's a beautiful plate of strawberries. And I made this belly band from different, this is fabric, and fabric, paper, trim, buttons. And this is one of the cutouts that she had in her kit. And this lady looks like she's ready to go strawberry picking, and she's wearing her strawberry colors. This is from one of those recipe collection boxes that have the pull-out cards. And there were some beautiful strawberry ones in there, and of course I snagged them to put in my book here. I did leave some writing space on some plain white papers a couple places, and you can actually write on some of the printed papers as well. Look at this. Oh, snowy meringue with a big fruit bowl, and there's strawberries all around here. And this one, turn it this way. Yeah, it's a strawberry layer cake. Are you getting hungry? And this page, I made a strawberry tea page, and I took a actual tea bag and I cut off the bottom, emptied out all the tea, and I put one of the cutouts inside of it, and I Mod Podged it closed. So here's the tea bag, and then here are some little cakes that goes with the tea. Here is a catalog cover for 1885 that shows strawberries, of course. Pastry cream with strawberries. So that looks yummy too. Now here's a page that I've left white on purpose so that it could be used for writing, and I made just a little tuck here, and this real pretty strawberry colored postcard, and it's from 1909. It's a pretty strawberry color. On this page we have a little fruit plate with strawberries in it on the Tutti Frutti paper here, and here is a recipe for Tutti Frutti tortoni. And I just added a few things in this belly band. C is for Cindy. And I made a little pad of paper from a paper pad. I just tore some off and put a new topper on it here. This is this is the back side of the other recipe that was up in the front. Now for the spine, I took, when this was a box, you know how you cut this strip off the end? I took the strip off the end and I used it to reinforce the spine, and I left it uncovered. I love the pink showing through there with all the, looks like the little nutritional percentages on there. Here is a luscious strawberry pineapple rice delight. Interesting. Served with strawberry sauce. And here's a recipe card from the kitchen of, I guess you could put those on like canning jars if you can near things. And on this side, I made another little belly band. And this is just like another Tutti Frutti kind of postcard. This one is from 1912. On this page is a guest check, and I've put this original old photo of a farmhouse, and they're getting ready to replant their strawberry fields. You can see in the back it's all getting dug up and ready to go. So there's your strawberry farm right there. Here's an old nursery ad from 1899. I've got a bag here, paper bag, and I cut the end off of this one and put this really pretty strawberry ad in there, and I think it goes so well with this paper and her. Just the colors all kind of came together for this. A cute Jello ad with Cupid dolls. This is the recipe for pie crust that goes to this luscious strawberry pie. And here's a strawberry cake. These are pictures from magazines. Strawberry ice cream. So you've got an ice cream, strawberry malt, or strawberry shake here, and then strawberry parfait here with the actual skim milk tag there, and then the recipe for strawberry ice cream. Here's a Farms and Gardens ad from Shumways. Here's the other side of the bag, and in the bag is a word search puzzle, and it's called Sweet Tooth, and of course strawberry cheesecake, which is the very first word down the front row. So yes, I had a strawberry cheesecake sweet tooth. I actually made this box of strawberry cake, and it was so good, and I even used the strawberry icing that went with it. Here is another strawberry ad, and I kind of lightly colored some of the strawberries in, and a little seedling tag you can write on the back of all of these tags. Here's another really cute belly band I made with bows, fabrics, tickets, and some green leaf trim. And inside here I put a large recipe card you could fill in with your own strawberry recipe. Here's a mixed fruit dessert. And remember the strawberry pineapple rice delight picture from the other end? Well, here is the recipe for it. And it comes with strawberry sauce you can make. This is a hints for making fluffy chiffon pie. So here's a strawberry chiffon pie. And you can also make a lemon chiffon pie or a daiquiri pie. Here's another pocket with another recipe card in it. And then I've got a doily in the back here. Strawberry shortcake. And I have another Dairy Products milk bottle cap here. Place for you to write. Fruits and berries with spirits. So that's real pretty. Now here I love this belly band I made. It's just very festive, very pretty. And I have this strawberry, looks like a cornucopia with the strawberries coming out, just to display here. Here's our world, welcome to it. Strawberry Country, USA, Plant City, Florida. The world's winter strawberry capital. More pretty papers. Here's a colorful one. Look at all of those fruits. There's strawberries, cherries, fuzzy peaches, nectarines, all kinds of things. I guess that this is from a canning article. Another pocket with a few more of these pretty downloads. I like this paper because it has lines you can actually write on. We had decided we wanted to go strawberry picking in our local field, and we went online to, just learn when it opened and what was going on with it. But they wanted $17 a person to pick, and this is an actual bucket of strawberries from the website. That's the size you get for $17. So we decided, well, I guess we can go skip that. People do it for the experience, but I've done it before. It is fun, but your shoes get thrown out. You squish through strawberries through all the rows. It was fun once, but I don't think I want to do it again. Here is strawberry chiffon pie and a little pie cutout with heavy cream cap here. Here is the strawberry Bavarian pie recipe. That's pretty. And I made this into a little pocket, side pocket, with a couple of more of these cutouts. I put the leaf trim down the side of here. Here's some Sweet William flowers that were in matching colors, coordinating colors. This page is green stamps for when you go shopping for your grocery store for your strawberries and such. And here's strawberry chiffon pie recipe here. And on the back, here's a Safeway supermarket ad that is selling strawberry preserves. Big 2-pound jar for 59 cents. And here's the jar of strawberry preserves. So that's my little strawberry book. And I hope you like that. And people help. What do you think we should use for the red velvet book? let me know. Have a great day.